Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your INFINIX Zero X Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is basically restart the phone, because temporary software glitches can sometimes mute the call audio. So how you do that, basically hold the power button until you see this little pop-up. Now click to restart or hold it, and now your phone will restart, and I'll get back to you once it's done. So the phone is back and it's enabled. So the next one, it sounds very obvious, but sometimes it just happens, so make sure to check the volume during your call. I know, very obvious, but yes, many people have been caught off guard by that. So here, make sure that the calls are boosted up here. And now try and make a test call, and during the call press the volume up button and make sure that it says call volume, not media or ring or notifications, whatever. Just ensure that it says call volume. Now, if this didn't work, then remove all headphones or the Bluetooth devices. Basically, if a set head or a speaker is connected, try disconnecting the Bluetooth. Basically go here to the notification center and make sure that the Bluetooth here is off. Just like that. Now it's on because we clicked on it, but make sure that it's disabled. And yeah, make sure that there are no headphones that are on the 3.5mm jack plugged into your phone. And now test it out. Now if this didn't work, then you can try and clean the earpiece, because dust in the top speaker, which is the earpiece, can sometimes just muffle the sound, or there will be no sound at all. So how you clean it, basically try and use a soft toothbrush or compressed air. I recommend compressed air much more, and try avoiding some moisture or whatever. Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, basically avoid all of that. Just use a soft toothbrush or compressed air. Now what you guys can do is test the earpiece back again, so make a test call, and yeah. But if it still didn't work, then try using the speaker mode during a call. Try toggling between earpiece and speaker during a call, and if the speaker works but the earpiece doesn't, then it's likely a hardware issue and you cannot do anything about it but to bring it to the service and fix it. But if neither of those are working, then it might be software or microphone routing issue. So test it out and let me know in the comments. Now the next one, basically go and check sound settings. So I'll show you. Go over settings, click on sound and vibration, and here go to DDS sound. Now here you can try and change between modes. As you guys can see, here we can use the video, game, music, or smart. And here we can try and enable or disable the equalizer. Here we can set it up. Now if all of that didn't work, then try and scroll a bit down until you see system. Now here we are with the system update. Now try and find the update for your phone, so click on online update. As you guys can see, this update may crash rooted devices, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, basically you need to install the newest update on your phone, and because that actually may have some fix to the cold related issues. And yeah, we need to wait, so I'll get back to you guys once the update is done. So my phone is now updated to the latest version. Now if this still didn't work for you, then go over the settings, scroll down until you see system right at the bottom, here, go over to Reset Phone and click Reset App Preferences, Calibration Parameters, and Wi-Fi Settings. Now you don't have to do the Wi-Fi settings. I just set it just to be clear that you can reset your phone by various ways, not deleting your entire data from it. So you don't have to do the first one, but remember to do the app preferences and the calibration parameters. Now here, if all of that didn't work, then go over to backup and restore. Here, back up all of your data. Now, if you do that, then simply go to Reset Phone and click on Erase All Data. Now, that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.